Hi engineers, today we are going to see one of the important topics in engineering mathematics, that is basic formulas on differentiation and integration. See, differentiation and integration are as much simple as subtraction and addition, division and multiplication. Okay, so let's start with the basic formulas of differentiation and integration. First we'll start with differentiation. Okay, so differentiation in the sense we will denote it by d by dx of function of x. This is differentiation. We have to know that in differentiation the value is going to reduce. For example, if we have some f of x, that is some function of x, it can be x, it can be x squared, it can be x cubed, it can be x to the power of 4 or anything. So let's have f of x is equal to x. So differentiation in the sense the value of x is going to reduce. So this will become d by dx of f of x. In this case, f of x is nothing but x. So dx by dx, that will be equal to 1. So second we will consider x square. So x square in the sense the power of the x going to reduce. So what happened in this case is d by dx of x square. So this 2 will be coming down and the power will be reduced by 1. So this will be 2 will be coming down and x 2 minus 1 will be 1. So you can write it as 2x. In the same case you will see it for x cube. So the differentiation of this will be 3 will be coming down and the power will be reduced by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so this is differentiation. And now we will see integration. We will see integration. So in integration it is denoted by this, and inside it will be some function of x and we have dx. Okay, so we will have some f of x. So we'll substitute that f of x inside the integration. Integration in the sense it is going to integrate all the value. So the value is going to increase. See, this is like a s in the sense summation. So if you do summation, the value will be going to increase. Okay. So let's consider x. So integration of x in the sense the value of x is going to increase. The value of x is going to increase. So this will be x, the power is going to increase, the power is 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 2 divided by the power 2. In the same fashion, if we have x square, the power will be going to increase by 1, that is x cube divided by the power 3. Okay, so in integration the value is going to increase and in differentiation the value is going to decrease. So what happens if we have a constant in this case? If we have a constant of 1, it will be value should be increased. So it is x. So we can write the general formula for this. That is, if we have x to the power of n, so n can be 0, 1, 2, 3, any number. So this will be x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is the general formula for the integration. So what will be the general formula for the differentiation? X to the power of n will be coming down and x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so you can see one more fact, that is if it is x square, it is reducing into 2x. In the same fashion, if we are integrating x, it is going to be x square by 2. We can compare this to, for example, in this case x will be equal to x square by 2. Similar fashion, in this case x square is equal to x cube by 3. So both are intertwined. Okay, So you should know one more thing on differentiation. If you have any constant, if you have any constant, for example 1, 2, 3, any number, the differentiation of constant is 0. Okay. So in this, what are the main takeaways? You should know differentiation, the value is going to decrease. In integration, the value is going to increase. And you have to know the general formula, that is constant differentiation of constant is 0, and x to the power of n will be nx n to the power of minus 1. If you just substitute the formula, if it is x cube, so n will be 3, so 3 x to the power of 3 minus 1, that will be 3x square. The same fashion for the integration, if it is x to the power of n, it will be x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If it is an x square, that is n is equal to 2, so x to the power of n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 3. So x square will be x to the power of 3 by 3. Okay, when you are studying differentiation and integration, just study together so that we can score good marks and we can understand very easily. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.